Hey there, voice coach Gabriel Brafado from GB Voice Academy. And today I want to focus on a particular sound that has been a major challenge for a lot of my students, my viewers, and they asked me to do a video specifically on this particular sound because it causes a lot of problems because it's really a sound that they're not used to making. Now, I've covered this in other videos, but in this video I want to do it more in depth because there's a lot to it. Like I say in all my videos, you could hear it all day long and practice it, but it's not just that, it's the moving from one sound to the next. And stick around to the end of this video because we're going to be doing specific exercises to really build this muscle you need to tackle this sound. Remember, it's all about practice. So stick around and we'll practice together. Butter, I heard of her versus butter, I've heard of her. Let's get to work. So this particular sound I'm talking about is the sound. When I go to my country of origin and I speak English, all they hear is it's such a prominent sound. It's a sound that you can't ignore when speaking English, American English or Canadian English. So why don't we look at the physiological way we could produce this sound over and over again and know that it will always be there for us. Now, here's the first thing I want you to do. I want you to clench your teeth. Do not open your mouth at all. I want you to imagine that you're an engine. It's literally like you're choking on your tongue. What you notice is that the flow of that sound is going back. The is pronounced back here. What a lot of accents tend to do is they tend to put it here. Butter, I heard of her versus butter, I've heard of her. Again, remember, these sounds have a place. That's why my target map system works, because it's very specific in terms of where these sounds live in our face. We need to know where they live physiologically and how to get there and get out of there to be able to flow in and out of sounds. So again, let's clench our teeth and give me a sound of a motor or a motorcycle. You're revving it up. Fight the temptation to open your mouth and go, The sound is going back here. I always describe this sound as like a black hole. It's so powerful that it sucks the sound out of the room. Like girl, her. That R dominates these words. So we need to embrace that, not fight it. So try it with me one more time. The direction of that sound is going inside of us, back here, nice and tight. For people who are not used to making this sound, it might hurt. It might feel, oh God, that really hurts my throat. I'm really tensing up some muscles. Good. That's what we want. The sound is very physical. There's a lot of muscle engagement that you need to train your muscle to do. It's like going to the gym and not having, I don't have very strong arms. Well, you got to do that exercise over and over, building up the weight to create that strength. Well, we're creating the strength right now by doing this and the exercises at the end of this video. So knowing where the direction of the sound is going, meaning wherever we're at, the direction is going inwards, will help versus going girl, furniture. The direction is in and back. So knowing where we are headed will make it easier when pronouncing sounds. So now let's go through some consonants into that 5 sound. I'll have it displayed here for you. I'll give you an example. For example, starting with the first one, B, brr. Fight the temptation to go buh. It's not out there, it's inside. Brr, I burned myself. See how easier it is when you know where you're going? Back here. And if your mouth is open, burn. Remember, clench your teeth, suck it in. I burr. Got it? Let's go to the C now. Clench your teeth. Curtain. Right? D. Drink. F. Furniture. We have 2 sounds in there, right? Furniture. We go out for that but then we go right back into that sound. G. Girl. H. Her. I enjoy talking to her. If you find yourself going, ha, clench your teeth, right back in there. J, jur, jury. L, lure. I'm learning. M, myrrh. Miraculous. Myrrh. N, ner. Neurology. We're flowing into the and coming out of it. P, purr. Purpose. Q, quirr. Going into the S now. Sir. Surrounding. Going into that sound and coming out of it. Surrounding. See how it's all about sound flow in, sound flow out. The T. Tur. Turn around. V. Ver. Verb. W. Were. Where were you? Z. Zer. CH now, the chur. The birds are chirping. So do you see how I'm always going in? Because I want you to start getting used to that sensation, the awareness of where that sound is flowing to. It's flowing inside, not out. The bud is chirping. The bird is chirping. And keep that mouth nice and tight. SH. Sure. Sure, I'll go. This is the hard TH, the th sound. There. The weather is very nice. The soft TH. Thir. I'm very thirsty. Excellent. You should be feeling tired. You should feel achy, like your muscles. Not so much your throat, but an achy tightness here that you kind of want to relax now, right? Here's a little trick. Do this with me. This is what I recommend to anybody who practices the sound after you're done. Completely relax your jaw like it's dead, nothing. And do this. You see how nice and relaxed my lower jaw is? That's what you want to do. What that does is that massages, if you will, all those muscles that we use to create those sounds. This is what it takes. It's very physical. So we got to retrain our body, our soft palates, our tongues to create the sound when we need it. So then when you put it into a sentence, I heard the girl went furniture shopping. So now you have an actual map, a knowledge and awareness of where that sound resonates and how to get there and how to get out of there. Do these practices every day, build that muscle tolerance, and as you're reading out loud, as I always recommend, you want to read out loud, be aware of those sounds. And when you see that R coming up, get ready. Okay, I got to clench my teeth. I'm going to go in there. Right? It's directional. Sound flow. That's all this is. It's a dance. We need to know how to dance in and dance out of these sounds. And I'm your dance partner. Great job. Make sure to check out my 5-star best-selling accent reduction course. I have a link to it down there in my description. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to have more of these videos for you to work with. So together we could build that muscle to create that American English sound.